like if you open this image, okay, now click this one, ellipse tool, okay, make a shape like this without color, without fill, without border. Select this shape, then press and hold shift and select background image. Now both are selected, and then go to object and clipping mask and make. So, okay. And then if you want object clipping mask, you can edit contents also. So, okay. So it can be anything, like if you select a shape with pen tool, if you want to create, select pen tool, see, I will select random, something like this. So this is, it works like selection in Photoshop.
Yeah.
So here you can do like this. You want to copy something, any object in images. So now it is selected. Now select, press and hold shift and this, and then go to object, clipping mask and then. Okay. I hope you will try.